Yo, 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 what's the deal, pickle? Y'all got a part in the road noise, you feel me? I'm out here in it. Eagle Minded Transport, LLC. Extraordinary customer service. I want to talk about reparations. And I want to talk about, reparations means repair. You're repairing something, right? So like when they dropped the bomb on Hiroshima in Japan, they gave them reparations. They repaired what they broke, basically. Jewish survivors of the Holocaust received reparations. Repairing what was broke. Whether it's money, counseling, land, whatever. Repair. Reparations. Right? So, when I hear our own people say, well, people who always talking about reparations just looking for a handout. You say that about your own people? So fuck what we went through, right? Fuck what our people went through, and the mental, the financial, the spiritual, the cultural breakdown theft of our people, right? We don't even know where we from. To be real, we can say we Africans, right? Or we can say we are the original Jewish people who've been running from slavery since Moses let our people go. You know what I'm saying? Black people need to be repaired mentally, physically, not physically really, because physically, we the shit. But mentally, financially, spiritually, we need repair. I.e., reparations, right? Generations of breaking us down. Hundreds of years of breaking us down. And then we where we at now. We don't trust each other. We don't practice group economics. We don't, we divided, so they conquered us. You know what I'm saying? And the things I'm talking about is not hate toward nobody else. It's love toward us. You know what I'm saying? So to hear a black person say, anybody who talk about reparations is just looking for a handout. No, cut the check. Cut the check. Say you like Martin Luther King say do what you said you was gonna do. Cut the motherfucking check. Yeah. I don't give a fuck if the check is for help with our mental stability, financial help, not just handing us money, showing us how to make that money work for us, make that money be an employee, land, showing us how to cultivate the land, farm, grow our own food. It's more to reparations just than just a check. But in the meantime, cut the motherfucking check. You feel me? Everybody got repaired from us. Everybody got repaired or an attempt to repair but us. We need repairing. Real talk. Like, you gotta realize Jim Crow was only 50, 60 years ago. 60, 70 years ago. That's one generation. Might be two now. You know what I mean? Two and a half generations ago, we was getting hung and lynched. And we still getting hung and lynched. But it's different now. It's monetary. It's mentally. It's police. And then you got those who don't even recognize, it's so much of the norm to them, they don't even recognize the pain we suffering, and then they'll tell us to get up and go get it. When everybody else had a head start. That's what I think about reparations. And I think any black person that's saying that anybody asking for reparations is just asking for a handout, that's part of the programming that I'm talking about that divides us. We can never be on the same page. So hell yeah, I want reparations for our people because we need repair. Love, be safe.